Right guys, I just thought I'd do a little video showing you the new addition to my camping gear. It's the Summit Airlite Towels. I've got size small in the desert colour and size large in the sage green colour. Size small is 30 grams in weight and the size is 40 centimetres times 80 centimetres. And the size large is 67 grams in weight and the size is 60 centimetres by 120 centimetres. They're ultralight and super compact and super absorbent and fast drying. So yeah, these will come in great when I hopefully go camping further afield and hopefully getting some waterfalls. So yeah, that's the small and that's the large, and they also come with their own little stuff sacks as well. So yeah, let's get size small open first. So that's the size small, absolutely tiny, fits in the palm of your hand. I don't know if this will be big enough for drying your body, maybe your head or your hair, or even drying your pots and pans. But yeah, that's the little stuff sack. It's also got a little loop there, so you could probably fasten it to your outside of your bag if it's wet. So yeah, that is the small. Actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, so that could probably fit round your waist. But yeah, feels nice quality. The size small cost me £9, but I got mine off eBay. I think that one's £12 on the Summit website. Oh, it's also got a little information leaflet inside as well. See how well this stuff's back in now. Pretty easy. So for the size of that, that's going to be great for, like I said, drying pots or drying the top of your body after a dip in a lake or under a waterfall. So yeah, this is the large. This is in sage green. This was my favourite colour. I kind of wanted that one in sage green as well, but they didn't have it in stock on eBay. So yeah, this is the large. Bit of a bigger stuff sack, but it still fits in the palm of your hand. Now this one was a little bit more expensive. This one cost me, I think it was £16 or £17. But these are going to be in my gear collection for the foreseeable future. And I'm hoping to go camping abroad someday, so these will be great for taking on the plane. So yeah, that is the size large. More than big enough to wrap round your waist. And also, hopefully you can see me there, big enough to wrap round your body as well. That's all you need really to dry off. So yeah, that's the size large. I'll just show you the size small again, further backwards. Just just in case the camera hasn't picked it up. So yeah, that's the size small. And then just for comparison, if I can do this for you, I've got the size small and the size large. Large also fits down that way as well. Just think the nice little additions to take with me camping. And my dream is to get under a waterfall or go for a dip. So hopefully these will encourage me to actually do that. But yeah, let's see the large one in the stuff sack. There's also a leaflet in there as well. I thought this one might be a little bit more trickier to get in, but it still stuffs in really well. And if these get wet, apparently they can hold 3 times their amount in water. And then if you just squeeze them out like that and then just leave them out to dry, they're supposed to be quick drying, but we'll test that in the future. So yeah, hopefully you found this quick video useful. I wasn't actually going to do it, but I thought somebody else out there might want to buy these, and they can actually see them now and the different size for comparison. I think there's also an extra small and a medium and an extra large, but these are absolutely perfect for me. I can't believe the size of this one. So yeah, that's the Summit Airlite Towels. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and feel free to check out my other videos. Have a good one.